So chop your mushrooms. Then you're gonna clean and chop your chicken. Oil up your pan, and then you're gonna add minced garlic and then cook until fragrant. Add your chicken. I seasoned mine with black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So remove the chicken, and then you're gonna oil your pan again and add the mushrooms, and then you're gonna cook them down. Add your chicken back in. I didn't do a lot of seasoning because the sauce is really flavorful. And then when it looks like this, it's ready. I did these for a meal prep with my boyfriend for the week.